We do a lot of ground solutions for airplanes, so not specifically things that airplanes will use while they're in the air, but on the ground. Right behind me, you'll see we have our Dahl catering trucks. This is something we do for a company out of Germany. We get the boxes from Germany, the trucks domestically. We bring them in, we build them, put them front to back, we put those together. These trucks are used on airports to load airplanes with anything you need, maybe snacks, drinks, anything that the flight crew needs to proceed with a flight. They go up on a scissor to be level with the planes to be able to load all those things into the plane. So here behind me you see a majority of our aviation shop. One of our main products I have here in a couple pieces is a tail stand. So what these are, when they are completed, they'll go into the back of an airplane to help the counterweight with loading and offloading. So they'll stand it up right on the ground like this. They can spin, so it spins on that thread to go up and down for fine tuning. And then from there, they line it up into the hole in the back of the plane and right up into the bottom of the plane. We do a lot of modeling with this when we have ideas such as a new head, a new fixture, a new bolt. We can print on this. We do a lot of our 3D models on this so we can take a look at, hey, we may not want to invest the steel and the welding and all the work into this until we know for sure or have a better idea if it's going to work. A13, we have an assortment of machines all the way through the bay. Here behind me you'll see the burn table. We burn flat sheets of metal anywhere from 3/16 of an inch all the way up to 2 inches.
I think manufacturing is a good career. There are plenty of jobs available. They are always in demand, especially with the welding and the CNC machines, so I definitely recommend it.
Training for me was more hands-on rather than dedicated training, except for the robotics. Robotics I went and got certified in advanced robotic programming. As far as the CNC stuff went, it was more hands-on. Manufacturing's very diverse. Just about anything you can imagine is made in manufacturing.
Manufacturing is a really cool industry. Basically, you get to see things come to life. It's metal, you take some drawings, and you can actually see that product turn into something. And then you see that product in the real world, which is really cool.